So today's topic is array versus array list. So let's start. It's a part 14. So this is the link of channel. You can subscribe. So what is the definition of array and array list? So array is strongly typed. This means that an array can store only specific type of item elements. Array list can store any type of item elements. An array, we can store only one data. We can store only one data type, either int, string, char, etc. Array can't accept null. In array list, we can store all the data type values. Array list collection accept null. Array list belong to system collection .namespace using system.collections, and array belongs to system.array namespace using systems. So let's make a project. Firstly, we are going to define here array. So you have to define a string if your value is a string. So here you can iterate with for each loop. Student name list is so you can run. So this is a name list: Said, Ali, Rahman, and more. So this is the array list. So watch next video for array list. So this is the array. So we have discussed array. This is the array string array. We have stored 3-4 names, and after for each loop we have print here.